How to find links open externally settings on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find links open externally settings on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and now click these three lines and then go down until you find settings and privacy and click on it and then click settings and now click media and then go down and you will find here links open externally, and that's it. That's how to find links open externally settings on Facebook mobile, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.